ওয়েলকাম টু ইউটিউব এপিসোড নাম্বার 92 সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা। আপনাদের চাহিদার জন্যে এবং আমাদেরও সবার পছন্দের কলমকারি এপিসোড আজকে আবার আমি দেখাবো, কারণ আমি আগের বার ভীষণ বকা খেয়েছি সবার কাছে যে কয়েকজন তো রেগে গেছে, ভীষণই মানে কেয়ারটিক হয়েছিল মানে বুকিং নিয়ে, মানে এই জন্য আমি আপনাদের জন্য আবার তাড়াতাড়ি কলমকারি এপিসোড আবার দেখাচ্ছি, কারণ আমার হয়ে এসছে যখন, আর আমি ওয়েট করিনি, আমি একটা এপিসোড শুরু করে দিচ্ছি। আমি জানি আপনারা ভীষণ আমার কলমকারি পছন্দ করেন এবং আমার প্রচুর বুকিং আসে, বাট আনফর্চুনেটলি একটা করেই পিস থাকে তো হ্যান্ড পেন্টিং, যেটা আমি বারবার করে বলি, আর্টিস্টদের ওপর পুরো ছেড়ে দেওয়া হয়, মানে ওদের পুরো ফ্রি হ্যান্ড পেন্টিং, ওর জন্য কি এটা না ডুপ্লিকেট ট্রিপ্লিকেট পিসেস করা যায় না, কারণ কখনোই একটা আর্টিস্ট একটা পাতাকে সেম করতে পারবে না। তো আমি যখন আপনাকে এই সাইজের পাতা দেখাবো, পরে যখন আপনাকে অর্ডার নিয়ে আমি একটা ছোট পাতা দেবো, তখন কিন্তু আর্টিস্টের তো মনে থাকবে না যে কোনটার কি পাতার মধ্যে কি রং ঢোকানো হয়েছিল। তো এটা আপনাদের একটু কম্প্রোমাইজ করতে হবে, শুধু একটা করে পিস সব কটা, বাট আমি তো প্রচুর দেখাই, শুধু একটু ধৈর্য ধরুন, পেয়ে যাবেন, সবাই পাবেন। এটা হচ্ছে আঁচলটা, পিওর টাসার কলমকারি, হ্যান্ড পেন্টেড উইথ a lovely woven border. See, the color is also very nice. It is a grayish green color, very soft lightweight tussar and very good polish, and I'm really lucky to have this karigar who does such lovely paintings in sarees and brings out these very unique colors. See, the blouse piece will have the back kalamkari and also in the border, sleeves and the back. So see, such a rich looking saree. See the lower part, you can understand how lovely the work has been done, and with little detailing, like see the piping, he has done it in a rust color. So overall it gives a very rich look. So it's product number 1, 8,990 rupees, same price for all my kalamkari in this concept. Product number 2, it's a zari border, very good quality tussar of course. See the combination, it's a lovely snuff brown color with black pallu. Traditional peacock pallu, and this part is tussar ghicha woven. You know that lovely finish comes, and now see this part, how lovely this will go in leher style, and this part is the natural the neutral tussar color along with this leher kind of a painting done. And this dyed part in the pleats, the overall, the little detailing that he does, it's amazing. And all my karigars, 90% of my karigars are with me for the past 25 years. See, this is the blouse piece. Since it's all over work, this blouse I've left it plain so that the color comes. See, this is the blouse, this is the saree. You can wear a black and this brown, you can mix and match also, but the saree blouse will look equally nice because it has the zari saree zari border. 8,990 rupees, product number 2. Product number 3, in black, again the jute woven border. See, just see the painting, the combinations. It's an artist's work. When he's with the paint brush and with the nibs and these organic colors, it just changes his mood. This is the pallu, 8,990. This has also a little bit of shading. See the painting? This way you can understand the painting work that has been done. Gorgeous. See the border, pleats, the shading goes, and since this has the monotone color, the blouse is hand painted, the back and the sleeves. Now a rust color. These are very loved colors. Pallu. All 8990, product number 4. Again, in all the episodes I keep telling you, just take the screenshot of the products. Telephone bookings are not accepted. Screenshot of the product, just take the picture where the number is given and then send it to any of one of the WhatsApp number that is provided. Wait for the message, the reply. Once the availability is confirmed, only then the bank details will be given to you. The business account bank details, and you will get the proper GST bill along with the product. 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other branches 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. 8990 in rust. Now very narrow sleek border and color is also very unique. It's a lavender color, dusty mauve color. Airavate painting in the pallu. See the color. All earthy tones have been used, but this pink is what that, brightening up the sari. Very comfortable, it's very comfortable, and the fabric of the tussar is so good, and also the polish, the fall depends on the polish. So very well, these polish are very soft polish and very comfortable also. See the blouse piece. $8990, same price. Now number 6, moss green. It's bottle green kind of a color with lovely bright flowers. Each is different from the other. Maybe many florals, because we love flowers. Kalamkari is about florals and figures. So this is a lovely floral painting, but see the pleats, comes the mustard oil color in the pleats, and then the contrast border along with the traditional, the woven jute border. See the overall combination, the look, the style, the smartness, it's really pretty. And this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece, I've done it very matte finish. Here is the border. Just impression. See. The pallu. Number 6. Many of you got so angry, they waited since morning for the episode, and then within few hours, I mean just 2 to 3 hours, all the 24-25 pieces were booked. So, I had to give a lot of explanation, but I'm so sorry, but I'm glad that I could do another episode so soon. See this color combination. It's a beige, brownish color, light biscuit color with turquoise and coffee color painting done in it. Number 7, 8990. Here is the dyed part of the pleats. Pallu. We have a Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where these products, the still pictures will be uploaded, but it's all first come first serve basis. As soon as the payment is received, we confirm the order and then it is shipped. Number 8, mustard tone. This is also a lovely combination. The work, just see, this color combination is very gorgeous. A very classy combination because the pallu is a natural color painting, and the body is hand painted, and there are 3 colors. The pallu part is in the natural shade in Ghicha Tassar. Now the body will have the mustard with floral. The pleats will have the brown coffee color painting. It's beautiful. See the painting. And I can touch the fabric and tell you, you will love the fabric. See the blouse piece. Here is this. Similar color, you can check out the mannequin wearing. Similar color, this the zari border is dyed. Same 8990. The pallu will be in, see, peacock red pallu. 8990, and the blouse piece not shown in the here. The blouse piece will also be in red with the border, kalamkari border, and the red blouse. Even the back will have the painting done. See, it's a lovely piece. Same price, 8990. Now product number 9, another jet black. An art. It's an art in this 6 yards of grace. Again, the slate color dye will be there in the pleats. You can see I'm opening each and every sari, so no still pictures will be given because all one pieces, and by the time I give you the picture, maybe it's booked. So this is the blouse piece, the border and the blouse piece. $8990. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata, but not during the lockdown period. Product number 10, maroon and black color combination. See the color. You will be draping someone's thoughts, someone's, the concept, the process of the painting so much. It's a, it's a lovely feeling actually. This is the pallu part, 8990. Again, the blouse will be contrast only impression. Border impression. Product number 11. Slate with black. See the lovely peacock in the pallu. And I'll show you intricately each flower. Just see this flower. How well the brushing has been done. This by nib. Then the brushing, the impression. See the nib, the colors, all freehand work. Grey and powder blue. And how lovely this is going. The whole, the process is a beautiful form. See this color, how rich this color has come. This is the border. This is the blouse piece. Black blouse piece matching with the pallu. 8990. Product number 12. Virgin color with angle concept painting in the pallu. $8990, number 12. See now the shading comes. Please visit the store. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We are couriering regularly. International shipments are done. The shipping charges international depends on the weight. So the more you buy, the less you pay for shipping. For one product, it will be a little more expensive than if you take 3 products. This is the blouse piece. Here. Now this time I've given you so many choices of hand painting kalamkari. I don't want any more scoldings this time. See the painting. Few are very sober like this one. This is ideal for little aged people also can wear, and of course anybody can wear it during the daytime also. Blouse piece. This is Munga Tussar, pure Munga Tussar with zari woven pallu and border. Sleek pallu, sleek contrast pallu in black and red. Very fashionable sari. See the border, it's a lovely border. This is, yes, this is also 8990. I just kept the price same. Half sari will be red Now see this part, how well this has been done, where they've dyed it. Just see how lovely this is painted. Gorgeous combination. This is the blouse piece. Number 15, navy, midnight blue. New color. Even the one that I am wearing, I too have that piece. Firoza, all same price, 8990. The border. This has bird motifs in the pleats. See the lovely bird painting. Please subscribe to the channel, then only you'll get the notifications regularly. Usually it's I upload in the mornings, Indian Standard Time, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, but no fixed date or time as such. Don't follow that, because sometimes in the products are not ready, then maybe I skip a program, or maybe sometimes it's 4 programs a week. So subscribe to the channel to get regular notifications. See the sari, it's a lovely one, and the one that I am also wearing, this is also available. It's in Tussar again, with dark, bright, lovely Firoza color, sky blue color, with this pallu. And the blouse will be also in turquoise blue with the painting done in the blouse piece. This piece is also available. It's a very unique piece. Now shifting to again your favorite leheriya, hand leheriya with Hastkala Kalamkari, pallu and blouse piece in red. Now this way, if I show you, you can understand the color combination. Pallu, the blouse piece. Again, let me tell you, the pallu and the blouse are muted, but on wearing the pictures come out very beautiful, the color looks very beautiful, but from front these have a matte finish, because all organic colors, na? This is the body in red. So this is the, now you can understand. 9,950 rupees, red leheriya hand painted kalamkari. 17, black leheriya hand painted kalamkari. See this painting. Very fashionable sari. The pallu, the blouse. I'm showing you this way so that will be easy for you to understand the whole look. Blouse usually jal, the pallu is in figure motifs. Usually that's the whole concept of this. Now number 18. Rich Firoza, dark sky blue. Here the blouse is this one. Very gorgeous saree. This colors come out really bright. $19. The kalamkari is done in one state, the tie and dye is done in another state, and then coming to West Bengal for polish. So interstate karigars are involved in our products. That's I'm really proud to say that, because I not only involve karigars of West Bengal, but throughout India we outsource the fabric. Throughout India the craftsmen and the skilled karigars are involved in the products that we show, and gets a place in your beautiful wardrobe. This is the pallu, that's the blouse piece. All 9,950 rupees. This is also a very uncommon color, copper brown color. This is the pallu, and that's the jal blouse piece. This combination is also looking very rich. Black and blue. The lower part will be the blouse piece. The upper part is the pallu. 1 meter pallu and 1 meter blouse piece. All big width blouse piece, so you can make 3/4 sleeves also. It's a lovely combination in black and turquoise blue. Now Vidarbha, the last few. See, again this fabric is outsourced from another state, and then the painting is another state. The combination mustard and royal blue. The natural woven pallu along with the kalamkari. This is the woven pallu, and here it's the kalamkari painting. 10,500 rupees, 10,500. It's pure woven Sambalpuri Vidarbha sari. It just arrived before the cyclone, so I'm glad that we could do the painting. We got the products from there. This is the sari, and that's the blouse piece, the natural color. The last few Vidarbhas. Tomato red. Temple border woven. See, this is the woven sari, and this is the painting done. Pallu weave with paint. 10,500. See, isn't it gorgeous? These are actually all mood boosters. This is the blouse piece. The last one. So this time I've shown you many sarees, and please cooperate because we are trying our best to create as much as possible with so many places, factories closed, fabrics limited, very limited stock. See the painting done, see the peacock, royal blue peacock in a royal saree, Vidarbha and royal blue border. Pallu, same price, 10,500 with dyed pleats. And the natural blue blouse piece. This is the sari blouse piece. I don't do anything in the blouse because I want to keep that natural fabric like that. See, this is the sari. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much for watching.